This 2022 Palomino Real-Lite Mini RL189 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, refrigerator, slide-out, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, microwave, spare tire kit, LP detector, skylight, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, Murphy bed. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Palomino Real-Lite Mini RL189 is 3,924 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.